Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes easy fix Wi-Fi disconnects frequently in Windows 11. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Management. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Wi-Fi Adapter, click Properties. Click Power Management tab, uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Second method is click Wi-Fi, right-click Wi-Fi icon, click Go to Settings. Click Wi-Fi Properties. Change network, public to private or private to public. Third method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Properties. Click Configure, click Advanced. Select 802.11n mode to disabled. Fourth method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open WLAN Auto Config, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK, restart the service. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.